Just got this chain repaired. My gold chain. Again. Oh, it just take a little time. Cover. But you know, these my peoples right here. You know what I'm saying? Your boy James, J Woo Woo, man. I spent a little money and discount my old daddy, you know what I'm saying? That's my guy right. He been here for a minute. Yeah, and I'll be back. Oh, I got a jean set. Check that out. Bought me a jean set.
You paid $110 for this.
That jean set is.
I'm gonna start trying to even feel like silly or shit I do for him.
You gotta understand. You gotta have some respect. I'm thinking. I'm doing something. That's reason why.
But you said me to 10 cents, but what I asked you about they do like $400
How you like that? Now they ain't got that size right there is the only size that they got that'll fit me. Out of all the sets they got, that's the only one that'll fit me. Hey lady, how you doing? I had that right. So when I get ready to put it on, wait a minute. That's crazy how I'm doing this. Yeah. And it's like where it been fixed that hang right there. On the fucked up spot right there. See that baby? That's a messed up spot right there. This him, boy, I gotta get it. All right, that's how that chain look around my neck, folks. You know what I'm saying? That looks real good, huh? Get close up on it.